Hello, Can You Fix It people? We got our camper back today and looks like they did not winterize it while it was on the lot like they said they did. So we have a couple of leaks. I fixed one down in the basement. I have a couple of short videos, showed you how to bypass a busted valve. And now we have a kitchen faucet which is leaking at the base. I'm gonna show you how to take this thing off real quick. I'm not a master plumber, but I'm gonna show you how to be. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to get to the nut to get the faucet off the top of the island. I'm not going to go step by step, but I'm going to show you the gist of it, and that way you can kind of speed through this process. All right, I took the cabinet door off, and that right there, if you take those screws out, there's one on this side, one on the other side, that nut untwists. As soon as you untwist that nut all the way down, you'll be able to pull the top faucet off. Okay, once you got that nut all the way down, you just pull it straight up like this, and you're able to get out exactly what you need. So whenever you get the faucet off, it could be a possibility that you might have something like this. O-rings could be busted. Kept this kit and replace them yourself. Save thousands. Thanks. Okay, folks, I just now showed you a cheap $5 fix to if you have any busted fixtures or your water faucet O-rings are blown out. This is the way to fix it. You just take it apart. I know I'm not a plumber, but I just now showed you two easy, quick ways to take it apart. It's not really as complicated as it looks. Anyways, you can pull it apart. If the O-rings are split, replace them. This kit right here has got an assortment of different sizes. They fit exactly most of the things on RVs. Anyways, this has been another episode of Can You Fix It?